If your PS5 won't connect to Wi-Fi, you're not alone. This is one of the most common issues PlayStation 5 users face. In this video, we'll go step by step through accurate, officially supported fixes, starting with the simplest solutions and moving toward advanced ones that actually resolve the problem. Step 1. Check network status first. Before changing any settings, you need to make sure the problem isn't on Sony's side. If PlayStation Network services are experiencing an outage or maintenance, your PS5 may fail to connect online, even if your Wi-Fi is working fine. Visit the official PlayStation Service status page and confirm that all services are operational. If PSN is down, there is nothing wrong with your console. Step 2. Restart router and modem. A quick router restart often isn't enough. Turn off your modem and router completely and unplug them from power. Wait at least 5 minutes before turning them back on. This allows the network to refresh IP assignments and clear temporary connection conflicts. Once your internet is fully back online, restart your PS5 and try connecting again. Step 3. Reduce interference. Wi-Fi signal strength matters more than most people realize. If your PS5 is far from the router, behind thick walls, or near devices like microwaves or Bluetooth equipment, the signal can become unstable. Move the PS5 closer to the router and remove physical obstacles if possible. A weak or inconsistent signal can cause the PS5 to fail while other devices appear to work normally. Step 4. Set up the internet connection again. Instead of retrying the same connection, manually set it up again. Go to Settings, then to Network, then to Settings and set up internet connection, choose Wi-Fi, select your network, and carefully re-enter the password. Make sure the password is correct, paying attention to capital letters and symbols. This clears stored network data that may be corrupted and often fixes repeated connection failures. Step 5. Update router firmware. Outdated router firmware can cause compatibility issues with modern consoles like the PS5. Check your router manufacturer's website or admin panel and install the latest firmware update. Also, review router settings such as firewalls, port filtering, or security profiles. Overly strict settings can prevent the PS5 from connecting or staying connected to the internet. Step 6. Check Wi-Fi security. The PS5 supports common security protocols such as WPA, WPA2, and WPA3. If your router is set to an uncommon or enterprise-level security mode, the PS5 may not connect. Log into your router settings and make sure the Wi-Fi security is set to WPA2 or WPA3 personal. Also, ensure MAC filtering or parental restrictions are disabled, as these can block the PS5 without warning.